Headline, April 18, 1955. The world mourns the loss of a great scientist. Dr. Albert Einstein, father of the atom age, dies at 76. The eminent scientist was admitted to Princeton Hospital a few days ago with an internal complaint. Dr. Einstein died peacefully in his sleep yesterday, shortly after 1 a.m. Albert Einstein was born in In 1905, known as the Miracle Year, Dr. Einstein published 4 papers that revolutionized physics and fundamentally changed the way we think about the world we live in. Most significantly, he laid the groundwork for quantum theory and developed a special theory of relativity. 10 years following in a flurry of work, Dr. Einstein went on to develop the general theory of relativity and the most well-known equation in the world, E equals mc squared. Dr. Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. In addition to his work in the scientific To all who live in the nuclear age, Albert Einstein exemplified the mighty creative ability of the individual in a free society. 1 week before his death, Einstein signed his last letter. It was a letter to Bertrand Russell in which he agreed that his name should go on a manifesto urging all nations to give up nuclear weapons. It is fitting that one of his last acts was to argue, as he had done all his life, for international peace. Dr. Einstein's body was cremated at his request, and his ashes scattered in an undisclosed location.
Section 3. Conclusion. Most of us are not neutral in feeling, but as human beings, we have to remember that if the issues between East and West are to be decided in any manner that can give any possible satisfaction to anybody, whether communist or anti-communist, whether Asian or European or American, whether white or black, then these issues must not be decided by war. We should wish this to be understood, both in the East and in the West. There lies before us if we choose continual progress in happiness, knowledge, and wisdom. Shall we instead choose death, because we cannot forget our quarrels? We appeal as human beings to human beings. Remember your humanity and forget the rest. If you can do so, the way lies open to a new paradise. If you cannot, there lies before you the risk of universal death. We invite this Congress, and through it the scientists of the world and the general public, to subscribe to the following resolution. in view of the fact that in any future world war, nuclear weapons will certainly be employed, and that such weapons threaten the continued existence of mankind. We urge the governments of the world to realize and to acknowledge publicly that their purpose cannot be furthered by a world war, and we urge them, consequently, to find peaceful means for the settlement of all matters of dispute